Okay, so taking a look at our development process, in this video, we're going to cover the first 3 steps. We're going to add the click handler for the decrement button, update the cart details component, and also modify the cart service. Okay, so let's go ahead and move in and open up our cart details component.html. And let's move down here to our decrement button. And that's the one here that has FA minus. Okay, great. So this is our decrement button here. And I will add a on-click handler. And I'll call the method decrement quantity. And I pass in the temp cart item. Just slide over a bit so we can see it all on the screen. All right, this looks good. Of course, the IDE is giving us that message again. No problem. We'll go ahead and update the cart details component with that click handler method. So I'll just copy that method name, decrement quantity, move into the cart details component.ts. And I'll just scroll down to the bottom of this file. I'll just paste in that method name. They'll pass in the param, the cart item. And then I simply call a method on the cart service. So this.cartService.decrement quantity. Alrighty, so this coding looks good. Now in step 3, we need to modify the cart service with the supporting method. So we'll let the IDE generate this method for us. Alrighty, so they created the method for us. Let's go ahead and move into cart service and take a look at things. So we'll see right near the top of the class, they have this generated method, decrement quantity. Let's go ahead and cut this method. I like to move them down to the bottom near my other code. So I just move all the way down here and paste it right here. Alrighty, good. All right, so moving in here for this method, the first thing I want to do is decrement the quantity by using minus minus. Next, I'll check the cart item quantity and see if it's equal to 0. If so, then we'll remove it. Else, we simply call compute cart totals. We'll have the IDE generate the remove method for us. And I'll just scroll up so I can kind of focus on the remove method. I'll write some quick comments here to myself to kind of keep myself on track. All right, so let's go ahead and start writing the code. So I'll set up const item index equals this.cartitems.find index. I give it the expression for matching or finding. And so here I'm comparing temp cart item.id with the cart item ID. And we created code like this earlier in some of the other videos for finding items in an array. Alrighty, so that's the coding. Looks pretty good. And remember, if it's not found, the value is -1. If it did find it, it'll give you the index, and that'll be greater than -1. So here I say, if item index is greater than -1, then we'll give this.cartitems.splice, starting at that item index, comma 1. So we're simply removing one element. And this matches our given use case. And then we also call compute cart totals. And that's pretty much it for the remove method. This looks pretty good. I like it. And this remove method is used by our decrement quantity method. So we have some good functionality in place right now.